This guide outlines the steps to create Workspot managed gateways, a group of gateway VMs that offer secure access to Workspot users. Start by navigating to Setup, then Gateway, and select Create Cloud Gateway Cluster. Choose your cloud configuration and the region where you want to set up the cluster. Select the virtual network and subnet for the cluster's provisioning, typically in your public subnet. Adjust any cloud-specific parameters as needed, and choose your preferred Windows Server OS version. Then, decide on the size and specifications of your gateways. Name your cluster and specify the number of instances it should have. Provide a prefix for these instances. If you have your own certificate, override the public domain with your public domain information. Next, set the authentication type to Active Directory and keep the gateway policy on default. Click Create to proceed. Now input the domain join details, specify the domain to join, the destination OU, and the credentials for the domain join account. Click OK to continue. Lastly, set up a local administrator account for the gateways. Use the refresh button to check the status of your gateway clusters. Once they are provisioned and show a ready status, go to Gateway under Actions and choose Enable. Confirm with Yes and OK. Then under Actions, select Publish. Your gateway cluster is now prepared for use with your VDI pools.